Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Keto Low Carb Makloubi. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the Keto Low Carb Makloubi. You will need 300 grams of stir-fry beef, 1 onion sliced, 3 tomatoes sliced, 2 green peppers diced, 1 large eggplant sliced, some light olive oil and some salt to season. For the second part, you will need 340 grams of frozen cauliflower rice thawed, 1 small onion diced, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of light olive oil, and half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt. And this is how your keto low carb makloubi should look like. So enjoy! Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!